All right, YouTube subscribers, I just wanted to bring to you, each year I try to buy a newer used vehicle, something that's popular, something that's affordable. As you've watched my channel, you know that I like to update the vehicle, upgrade it with, maybe like an Android radio, some LED lighting, maybe some new wheels, new suspension, that kind of stuff. So this year I picked up a 2014 Lexus IS250. It's the F-Sport all-wheel drive. And so this year, this is what we're going to be working with. So I have a few plans. We'll start with the front of the vehicle. I would like to upgrade and add some LED fog lights to the front of the vehicle. I'd like to add a front lip to the front. Coming here to the side, I have picked up a really nice set of work VSXX wheels in 19-inch. They're anodized red. They're a real three-piece wheel. So I just got the wheels last night, and I'll throw up a little video, little clip here of them. Next, I'll be looking for an aftermarket suspension, something nice, something comfortable, something I can enjoy my ride with. Maybe we'll do a simple like side skirt or like a splitter here on the side of the vehicle. The windows are already tinted, so that's a plus. It does just have the factory radio. It does have navigation and all those kind of options. Here's the interior real quickly. The stereo sounds great the way it is, but I do think I want to add a aftermarket amp and subwoofer. Just something small, maybe like a 10-inch sub or a 12-inch sub. Just to give it a little bit of bass, but nothing crazy. Like I said, we got the wheels, then we'll get some suspension for it. Coming to the rear, they do make some like little side splitter pieces for the rear bumper down there. Maybe a rear diffuser. They do make some aftermarket, these lower lens reflectors down there. They do make aftermarket ones that are smoked or clear. Might pick up a set of those. Something also, they do make the 2021 like taillight conversion. They have them like clear, gunmetal, smoked, or red. I think I would like to do like, so the 21 taillights, it actually has a piece that connects the taillights all the way across the trunk lid, which looks super cool, or LED. So maybe we'll do something like that. Maybe do an exhaust, but it doesn't have to be anything crazy because it is the 250, so I know it's not a fast car by any means. We'll do some maybe interior LED lighting. It does have just halogen bulbs in the interior, so I would like to upgrade that. But if you're a company and you want to like sponsor me or send me some product to try out, I'm more than glad to do a like unboxing video, installation video, review video, that sort of thing. But I'm looking forward to doing this one. What was it, 2022? I had fixed up a 08 Honda Accord, same scenario, Android radio, some wheels, suspension, some spoilers, that kind of stuff. Last year I did a 07 Honda Civic. Like I said, I just like to buy popular vehicles that, that are affordable, people can buy, and they can upgrade them, make them a little bit, themselves or the way they want them to be. So the good news is there's tons of aftermarket products out there for this car, and I'm really looking forward to building a sweet vehicle this year for you guys. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. If you've seen this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it if you do. Every little thing helps me. But hey, guys, thanks a lot. I'm going to bring to you another quality car this year.